It's Monday, the 27th of June 2016. This is a chart update for the US dollar gold price. I thought it'd be a good idea to do a short video on the gold price given the dramatic move we saw on Friday with the Brexit vote. Gold was up above 1350 briefly, spiking once it became clear that Brexit was going to happen, and then gradually sort of closed down and settled about 1350 as of the US close on Friday night. As of Monday night Australian time, it's trading about 1330 at the moment. One thing you can't see on this chart, because I don't have access to the volume numbers, is the volume, and I've seen it on a chart from another source. And the volume on this bar is about twice the average for a day this year, which is by far the biggest volume day of the year, even bigger than this spike we saw up above 1250 in February. I've highlighted on this chart an old resistance zone, what I think will be a resistance zone. This move in gold, this down move, really started with this dramatic plummet in April 2013, and 1300 was sort of a key. 1300 to 1350 was a key area that it bounced off and created this. And I mean, if I had the volume numbers here, I could show you that there was a massive spike in volume here in contracts traded. And I think this will probably be a reasonably difficult resistance zone. There's a lot of catalysts now for gold, and a lot of people have started looking at it. There's numerous searches. I heard gold was up 500. Gold in pounds was up 500% in Google search terms on Friday in the UK. I don't think we're gonna see another spike like that. People need to be able to suppress the price so they can get on board here. Or unwind, short positions, for example. I think we might see a move similar to what we saw in February here, where we had that dramatic spike up above 1250, and then it's really kept on sort of trending higher without breaking free dramatically. So something of this sort of size here, maybe heading toward gradually through this resistance zone. It's difficult to predict what's going to happen here, just given the market was completely caught off guard here. It's hard. I haven't seen anything like it in the gold market in the last 3 or 4 years when I've been following it closely. So the market really caught off guard and didn't really know what to do. So, but I think this is going to be it should act as a fairly strong resistance zone. So I don't think you'll see it to break through straight away. But I sort of favour this, a short gradual uptrend here, heading toward 1400. The consequences of the Brexit sort of aren't really clear, and maybe that'll take a few weeks or months. I know a lot of the bank stocks in Europe are down heavily on Friday night and again on Monday night Australian time. So once those consequences start to become clearer, there might be more catalysts that would give gold that sort of opportunity to spike further. But in the short term, I favour sort of a gradual uptrend here, heading towards sort of high 1300s potentially.